Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 2 Whole Numbers, Lesson 2. So our vocabulary word for today is expanded form. We saw this in Module 1. If we have a number, we expand it out by finding the value of each place and then writing it like that. So the 3 in the hundreds place is 300, plus the 2 in the tens place is 20, plus the 1 in the ones place is 1. So this is written as expanded form. So here it is again. This is standard form, and this is expanded form. So all you're doing is you're taking the value of each digit in the places and then expanding it out. So let's look at these examples. So if we look here at the blocks, we see we have 2 thousands. So we're going to write a 2 in the thousands. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. So we're going to write a 5 in the hundreds. And then we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So write a 4 in the tens. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So write these down on your paper for lesson 2. And then part B, we are going to write the value of each one. So 2000s looks like 2,000. 500s looks like 500. 4 tens looks like 40. And then 8 ones is 8. So now what we're going to look at is we're going to write these out in a chart for this next number. We have 19,625. So we have 1 10,000s, we have 9 thousands, 600s, 2 tens, and 5 ones. So that's what that would look like there. So if we wrote this out in expanded form, we would have, I'll make it a little bigger so we can see a little better. We would have here, we have 1 in the 10,000, so we have 10,000. We have 9 in the thousands, so that's 9,000. A 6 in the hundreds, a 2 in the tens, and then a 5 in the ones. So that's how you would write that out in expanded form. So make sure to get that on your paper. The next one we're going to look at here is we can see that we have 1,000s cube. So that would be 1,000. There are 4 hundreds. So 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So that's what it looks like when we have words. But then if we just expand it out with the numbers, we have 1,000. 400s looks like 400, plus 2 tens is 20, and 9 ones. So this is expanded form. Okay, flip to page 14. We're going to do each of these in expanded notation, and then you will try some on your own. So if we look here, this first one, we have 8,000. We have no 100,000s, no 10,000s, but we have 8,000s, 800s, 110, and 4 ones. So if we expand that out, it looks like 8,000, 800, 10, and a 4. So we have 110, so it just is with 10. The next one, we have 67,309. So there are 6 10,000s, 7 thousands. So that's 6 is in the 10,000, 7 is in the thousands, 3 hundreds, 0 tens, and 9 ones. So then we would look, we have 6 10,000s, so that would be 60,000. 7 thousands is 7,000. 300s, looks like 300, no 10s, and then 9 ones. So there it is in expanded form. So you can always use this chart to help you. You can make one for yourself or use the one in the link in the lesson. Otherwise, if you can look at the place value, we have 1,000. The next is 600. There are 9 10s, so that's 90. And then 8 ones, so that's 8. And then 340, we have 300. 4 10s, which is 40, and 0 ones, so we don't have to write plus 0. Okay, so here's at the bottom of page 14. It says write a whole number in expanded form. So using symbols, if we have 248, we have 2 hundreds, which equals 200, 4 10s, which is 40, 8 ones, which is 8. So we identify the place value of each digit in the number, then find the value of each digit. So that's what we did right here. And then 248 in expanded form is 200 plus 40 plus 8. So you would write the number as the sum of the value of its digits. If a digit is 0, it is not in the sum. So if you have a 0 in any of the places, you don't need to include it. All right, so now you're going to work on page 15 on your own. Good luck.